After watching this video, if you have this kind of a complaints, like getting up from the bed, tries to walk, you will have a morning stiffness, then there is a heel pain or stabbing pain or maybe a referral pain from heel to toes, then this video is for you. Nothing to worry. After watching this video till the last minutes, you will get the solution. If you have heel pain or stabbing pain or referral pain from heel to toes, then this condition is called plantar fasciitis. Myself, Dr. Girish CM, I'm an orthopedic and sports physiotherapist from Promote Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Plantar fasciitis commonly seen between 40 to 60 years of age. Normally, we see in obesity due to excess load on the plantar fascia, and certain activities like a dancers, long runners or joggers will be much loaded on the plantar fascia, and certain occupations like a teachers or a policeman will have lots of load on the plantar fascia due to long standing work. When we see the foot, plantar fascia starts from heel and it runs towards the toes in a small tendon, becoming a strong arch which is a strong in nature, and it acts as a shock absorber for the whole body. When there is overuse in the form of long standing or running or maybe jogging, there will be inflammation forms which leads to plantar fasciitis. So that time normally patient complains pain in the medial aspect of the heel. So this heel pain, either it could be a stabbing or maybe sometime a referral on the tendon structures. So if you untreated in an early stage, so in a chronic stage, it becomes a thick adhesion formation at the medial aspect of the heel. When the person, when he tries to walk in the chronic stages, it becomes unbearable. So it is difficult for him to even for walking a few steps. So it should be treated in the earlier stage rather carrying to the long stages. For that, we need to be taken care of self-care management, means early to be treated. If you confirm it is a plantar fasciitis and there is a medial pain at the heel or maybe sometime a referral pain, then you need to find out if there is any tight structures at the medial aspect of the heel by just rubbing around these soft tissues. Once you found if there is an adhesion structures, we need to break the adhesions by doing a friction massage. Like this, we need to just rub around so that wherever there is a taut kind of a structures, we need to be released. So once we release, the patient feels quick relief. If patient complains of a pain at the medial aspect of the heel or maybe a pain radiating to the toes, then we can apply ice pack for a 15 minutes for a 3 times a day would help to reduce the swelling as well as the pain. Now next method of a treatment is called a contrast bath. Here we need to have 2 buckets. In one bucket we need to have hot water, second bucket we need to have a cold water. So now we need to immerse the affected part, that is plantar fasciitis foot, in the hot water for 2 minutes. Then we need to dip into the cold water for 1 minute. So this sequence need to be repeated 3 to 5 times. Once we complete this 3 to 5 times, once you take out the leg, you feel the pain has been relieved. Normally in case of a plantar fasciitis, the plantar fascia becomes very tight structure due to long standing, jumping or maybe running. So for that we need to be stretch plantar fascia. So now how to stretch this plantar fascia? First we need to neutralize the ankle like this. Next, we need to hold the toes and we need to stretch the toes as much as possible. So when we do this thing, so there will be stretch at the plantar fascia, and this stretching should happen for a 30 seconds. When we do this stretching for a 30 seconds, and it should be repeated for 3 times, and this should be done for a 3 times a day, so that the pain won't be there, the pain will be relieved, and you'll be able to walk easily without any difficulty. Next mode of treatment called self-cough stretching. Here, patient should use the towel, wrap it around the toes, knee should be straight enough, then slowly the other two ends of the towel need to be pulled by the patient. When she does that, there will be stretching of the calf muscle happens, and this stretching should be hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. And repeat for 3 times. So this would help to relieve plantar fasciitis pain. So thereby loading will be reduced on the plantar fascia. Next method of treatment is called intrinsic muscle strengthening of foot. Here, patient should pull the towel with the help of toes. Then relax. Pull, then relax. Pull, then relax. This activity will help to improve the strengthening of intrinsic muscles of the foot. Thereby, there will be lesser load on the plantar fascia. This exercise will help to reduce the pain in the heel. Next method of a treatment, patient should be sitting in a chair, and patient should raise the heel up, then down, then rise, then down, then rise, then down. If there is an acute pain, the patient can do it in a sitting position so that there won't be much load on the heel when this kind of exercise repeated. Here there will be strengthening of calf muscle occurs. So this should be repeated as many as possible, depends on the patient tolerance capacity. If the pain is lesser, patient can able to stand, then this exercise would help. Here the patient should raise the heel up, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds initially, then gradually down, then raise it up, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then down, then lift it up, then down. So like this exercise need to be repeated initially from 20 to 30 numbers, depends on the patient tolerance capacity. This exercise would help to strengthen the calf muscle. This exercise will reduce the load on the plantar fascia muscle. Next exercise we call it foot clubbing. Here the patient should be sitting in a chair. Foot should be contact with the floor. Heel always should be contact with the floor. Now both the foot should be scooping together. Then down. Repeat scooping. Then down. Scooping. Then down. So this kind of an activity would help to reduce a plantar fasciitis pain by strengthening the intrinsic muscles. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel Press bell icon for a future notification. If there is any advice or suggestion, kindly mention below. Thank you all. Stay safe. God bless you all.